The Mystery of the Missing Cookies. Once upon a time, in a cozy little house on Maple Street, lived a cheerful bunny named Benny. Benny loved playing outside, drawing pictures, and helping his mom bake delicious treats. His very favorite treat of all was chocolate chip cookies, warm, soft, and sweet. One sunny afternoon, Benny's mom baked a big plate of cookies for their family picnic. She set the cookies on the kitchen table to cool and said, "Benny, please don't touch these until it's time to go." Benny nodded. "I won't, Mama." He hopped outside to play, but the smell of the warm cookies floated out the window like a sweet cloud. Benny's tummy rumbled, but he stayed strong. He wanted to be trustworthy. After a while, Benny came back inside to get his coloring pencils and gasped. The plate was empty. Every single cookie had disappeared. "The cookies are gone," Benny cried. "Who took them?" And so, the mystery of the missing cookies began. Benny hopped around the house looking for clues. First, he found tiny feathers on the floor. Do cookies grow wings? Benny wondered. Then he spotted little muddy paw prints near the table. Uh-oh, maybe someone with paws was here. Next, he heard a small chirp from the window. Benny peeked outside and saw his friend Penny the bird sitting on a branch. "Penny, did you take the cookies?" he asked. Penny shook her tiny head. "No, Benny, I only eat seeds, not cookies. But I did see someone go into your house." "You did?" Benny asked. "Yes, a furry someone." Benny thanked Penny and hopped along, following the paw prints to the living room. There he found his friend Max the puppy hiding behind the couch, looking very, very guilty. "Max," Benny said gently, "did you take the cookies?" Max slowly lowered his ears and nodded. "I'm sorry, Benny," he whined. "They smelled so yummy, and I didn't think anyone would notice if I just tasted one. But then, I ate them all." Benny was disappointed, but he remembered something important. Everyone makes mistakes, and honesty matters most. "It wasn't right to take them without asking," Benny said, "but thank you for telling the truth." Max's tail wagged a little. "Can I help make more cookies?" Benny smiled. "Yes, that would make things better." So Benny, Max, and Benny's mom worked together, mixing, stirring, and scooping new cookie dough. Max was very careful this time. He didn't sneak even a crumb. Soon, a fresh plate of cookies was ready, and they tasted even better because Max helped make them. At the picnic, Benny shared the story of the missing cookies, and everyone laughed, even Max. And from that day on, Max always remembered to ask first. Moral of the story: always ask before taking something that isn't yours, and telling the truth helps make things right.